Hello, everyone. So, this is my new YouTube channel, and I decided to post lifestyle, energy, and relatable facts and a bunch of my life. So, let's get started. I decided to do some of my makeup because I have to shoot other videos of my candle brand as well. So let me start by, um, explaining who I am. Okay, so I am Kushi. Basically, I own this scented candle brand in India, which is Perfume Candles. You can just check out Instagram pe. And yes, I'm also a content strategist and technical writer at one of B2B companies. And I have a total bit experience of 5 years in this field, and I'm trying to build something that I love. So basically, I curate candles just like that, fully main character energy wali candles. So this is pretty much about my profession. And if you talk about my personal life, so basically I can say what I can say. I can say that क्या बोल सकती हूँ मैं तुम लोगों से. I think I should move a little bit closer because I'm going to do my eye makeup and everything while telling you. So, yes, now that you know pretty much about my career, let me tell you that oh my god, how do influencers do this thing, like, getting ready and talking? I can't focus. I Although I have some symptoms of, ADHD, but okay. So, yes, I am 22 years old. Like, I'll complete 22 next year, February, May. And let's talk about my hobbies. Though my hobbies include reading, as you can see behind me, also writing. I'm a writer. Anybody can become a writer, obviously, but I became a writer because I love writing and I have been writing diaries since childhood. Okay, sorry for the light thing, guys. ये थोड़ा सा इधर उधर जा रही है. So yes, I have been writing diaries since childhood. So I decided to be a writer. Basically, this is the reality actually. क्योंकि I have done my graduation from Kumar University and it's a normal course which is BSc. BSc is Bachelor's of Science. Yeah, so actually, I started this out in 2020 when everybody was dealing with COVID. So मेरा मन तो था कि मैं बनूं, डॉक्टर बनूं, बट मेरी पढ़ाई के चांसेस बड़े कम थे. तो मेरा सपना सपना रह गया. एंड आई रियली हैड टू चूज अ कोर्स फॉर माई सेल्फ बिकॉज आई एम सो इनडिसाइसिव एंड आई डेंट हैव एनी आइडिया कि मुझे करना क्या है. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू डू BSc फ्रॉम Kama University, Nainital. Yes, that is pretty much about my graduation. I hold a Master's of Science as well in forestry. And I started my writing journey. I started my writing journey along with my graduation itself. Like, I used to work for a startup unpaid for like 1.5 year, where I learned so many things actually. Starting May, I was not actually expecting a lot of money either, neither amount of money, because obviously कोई अगर आपको ऐसे ले सकता है without any degree or something, so that's a big thing. तो I decided कि let's just add skills अभी and देखेंगे बाद में क्या करना है, क्योंकि मेरा BSc में तो बिल्कुल भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. So I decided to do this मतलब content writing. So I worked with multiple startups and also joined agencies, you can say. And after that, today I am working very well actually, but in this process of becoming a corporate person, I wanted to own something. Like, my love for candles is just amazing. Okay, like it's really amazing. मेरे को candles इतनी पसंद है कि जब मैं बैचलर्स में थी ना, तो मेरी जो बेड साइड टेबल होती थी उसमें एटलीस्ट 6 और 5 कैंडल्स होती ही होती थी। मुझे इतनी पसंद थी। और अगर जब मुझे ऐसे कुछ शॉप करने का मन करता था ना, इधर आई यूज टू बाय फूड और कैंडल्स। तो आई डिसाइडेड कि मैं अपना खुद का ब्रांड शुरू करती हूँ। देर इज़ दिस वन थिंग दैट आई रियली लव द मोस्ट इज़ यू लाइट इट अप एंड आपका जो रूम है वो फ्रेगनेंस से भर जाता है, एंड दैट इज़ एक्चुअली वेरी नाइस। लाइक द कैंडल, दिस इज़ रूब्रा सीरीज ऑफ माई ब्रांड, एंड the smell that it contains is cinnamon. So, you know what? This magic of lighting it all up for like just half an hour and the entire room will smell like crazy. Exactly. That feeling. I love that. And जो नैनीताल में कैंडल्स मिलती है, they are more of a show वाली candles instead of fragrance. तो I'm not a very much big fan of ऐसे creative candles जिसमें फूल है, टेडी बियर है, जो भी है. I'm more of a fan उन कैंडल्स की जिनमें फ्रेगनेंस हो. ठीक है, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली इफ आप सेंटेड कैंडल ले रहे हो इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स सेंट. मेरे को स्मेल ही नहीं आती थी. लाइक आई यूज टू लाइट इट अप फॉर लाइक 2 hours, no fragrance, and I quite hated it. I really hated it. So I decided to make my own brand. अब भाई, जब तुम सोचते हो तुम्हें कुछ करना है, it's kind of, you can say it's a big deal. It's starting a business. Business is business. इन्वेस्टमेंट कहाँ से आएगी? तुम्हें सपोर्ट कौन करेगा? चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा? ये बहुत बेसिक थॉट्स है जो लिटरली मेरे दिमाग में अभी भी चलते हैं, because not very much people are aware about it, and that is why I have made this YouTube channel about the brand itself, so that people should know मेरा intention क्या है. It's not about making money or sending candles. It is more about, increasing the awareness among Indians, especially because बाहर people respect candles बहुत, but India में no. So I really wanted कि लोगों में ये डिफरेंस हो, लोग जाने कि व्हाट इज़ कैंडल एंड हाउ टू यूज़ इट. सो व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग बीएससी में, मेरी लिटरली कोई ऐसे तनख्वाह नहीं होती थी. आई यूज्ड टू डू इट फॉर फ्री. कभी इंटर्नशिप्स, बिकॉज एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए था. व्हेन आई एंटर्ड इन माई मास्टर्स, यू कैन से आई गॉट माई फर्स्ट freelance work as a technical writer. And trust me when I say this, a person who is believing in you when you are at your first stage of doing something, उससे ज़्यादा भगवान तुम्हारे लिए कोई नहीं है. And you should respect that person through your entire life. That is what I want to say. I'm really much grateful for that one person who believed in me and actually shaped me where I am right now. And I really thank him a lot. So he gave me my first freelance project, basically my first earning from my content writing. Like, especially I was literally working like from 3 years, last 3 years. But it's really hard to get yourself an employee who have not much of experience in on-site. So he believed in me, guys. He really believed in me, and he gave me this work, content writing का. And when I started earning ऐसे पर वर्ड के हिसाब से मिला था मुझे, तो मेरी जो फर्स्ट अर्निंग आई थी, इट वाज 5,000 रुपीज़, गाइज. इट वाज रियली 5,000, एंड आई एक्चुअली वाज सो ग्रेटफुल, रियली ग्रेटफुल. तो भाई, अपनी पहली कमाई ऑब्वियसली मम्मी पापा को भेजना तो बनता है, तो भेजी मैंने. एंड देन जब मेरी सेकेंड महीने की आई, आई डिसाइडेड टू स्टार्ट दिस, यू कैन से, माई बिजनेस. अब 5,000 में ऑब्वियसली आप स्टार्ट करते हो तो आप गलतियाँ करते हो, तो मैंने गलतियाँ करी थी, काफ़ी करी थी. यू कैन चेक द वीडियो, एंटायर वीडियो उसमें. So this is how I started my brand, and I am here right now working as a full-time also, full-time writer and a brand owner, trying to tell people कि भाई, let's just increase this awareness of scented candles. Okay, सो वो सब बातें तो हम मेरे उस वाले यूट्यूब पे करेंगे, बट फॉर नाउ, फॉर टुडे, आई थिंक यू नो प्रीटी मच वेल अबाउट मी एंड ऑल्सो माई हॉबीज में जहाँ थी। पहली तो यही है नॉवेल्स, सेकेंड इज राइटिंग, थर्ड यू कैन से इज ट्रैवलिंग, एंड फोर्थ इज जस्ट गेटिंग रेडी एंड गोइंग आउट फॉर कैफेज. Yes, that is it. So now that you know a bit about me, I'm not a very much aesthetic वाला person because नहीं आते मुझे aesthetic. It's just very straightforward. जो है अच्छा दिख रहा है तो okay, नहीं दिख रहा तो it's fine. So I think this is pretty much that you people know about me, and I'll try to keep posting things, okay, ऐसे ही इस YouTube पे, so that you keep learning about a bunch of things that you're not aware of, and that is also not I am aware of. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. And if you're new, please subscribe so that I get this motivation of creating this, because I'm doing this for the first time and I'm really excited. So, thank you.